believe it's morning. I'm alive.
What's up, guys? This is why we're here today. So we're going to change this panel out. These are some of the tools I recommend you guys use. The plastics to shimmy these out without damaging the center console. And let's give it a try. Wish me luck. It should be simple. So let's see the before and after look. Alright, let's start with this. You guys just seen what I did. I loosened it up with this, pried it out. Some people pull this thing out. I'm gonna try to keep it on while pulling down my shift knob. My car is manual, so maybe it's a little easier. Then we have these screws right over here. Phillips screwdriver. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. Let's just take this out. Boom. Okay, so right over here, it's a tab. You push that in, you're good to go. That's out. Still on this side, same thing. This side's a little different. Let's give you a quick look at it. But pretty much you do the same thing. You press that tab, pull it out, back it up. Now we take out this. I love brand new parts. Oh yeah, baby. Beautiful. It looks so good. From this to this. Look at that. Alright, so we pull this out. Now we gotta take this off. So the way we do that is, you squeeze this part and you pull it out. Just so I don't mix stuff up. If I'm a mess like that, I'll put it in right away. Line it up, clip it on. Beautiful. Same thing on this side. We're gonna squeeze these tabs right here. It pops right out. Beautiful. Put this one in, slide it in, snap on. Boom, brand new. Looks beautiful. So let's go reinstall this puppy. So let's pop this clip. Let's feed this through. Let's pop this puppy right here, back in. Boom. So the same thing on this side. Easy. So now let's nicely set it in. Oh, I guess there's some type of cushioning around this. You gotta see that foam. You gotta wiggle it around, guys. Okay, so you pretty much angle it like this, slide it forward. Let's do it again. Slide it forward, drop it down. That's it. So now let's go back and install those screws that go right there. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. There we go. And there we go. That looks about right, guys. So yeah, take your time. Okay, I'm back. So thank God it was easy to get to that screw. So I lifted up this part, took this back out slightly, and I was able to grab it with my fingers. So here we go. Screw this back on. Done. Let's grab this other screw. Now I'm scared to put it in with one hand because I'm holding the camera, but we can make it work. Okay, not too tight, just tight enough, guys. Boom. Good to go. Alright, it's a little dusty. Normally I go crazy cleaning this up, but I'm gonna do a detail soon, so I'll take care of that. So let's set you guys back down. Let's see what's next. Pretty much you line this back up, drop it in. That's it. You're good to go. Brand new, guys. No joke, I did this in probably less than 5 minutes. And no, I didn't have to pop this out. A lot of videos you've seen people yank this out. Maybe your car is automatic and you might have that issue, but with a manual car, you're pretty much fine. You just, once you pop this out, you angled it and it'll feed it right through here without you going through the extra hassle. So yeah, don't take off your shirts now if you don't have to.
Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing